In this video, I'll show you how to round numbers up in LibreOffice Calc. Hi, my name is Michael, and I make quick tips on how to use Calc software. To demonstrate, I'll go to Sheet 2, and I have several examples on how to use the roundup function. So roundup takes two parameters. The first one is simply the number you want to round up, and the second one means how many decimal places do we want to round up to. In this first example, we wanted to round up 2 decimal places, so it becomes 1.12. In the second example, we just want to round up to 1 decimal place, so it becomes 1.3. In the third example, it's using 0, which just means round to the nearest integer, which is 46. In the fourth example, we have a negative number and there's no second parameter. This is just also saying round to the nearest integer. And being a negative number, it rounded to negative 46. And here we're using a negative decimal place. When it's negative, it means to round to near 10th or hundredth or thousand and so on and so forth. So negative 2 means to the nearest hundred. In this case, the result is 1000, since when we round up from 900 up 100, it becomes 1000. In the last example, I'm just using the first argument to refer to a specific cell, which is cell C12. I'm telling it to round up 1 decimal place, so in this case, it will be 19.9. So that's it. I hope this was helpful. I recommend you to watch my other video on how to easily copy formulas down a column within LibreOffice Calc. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay nifty.